Oh, I still got the hiccups. But I figured I'd start videoing because this is a little bit different scenery than what we've been seeing the past 2 hours. All these hiccups. It's cold. I am cold. I've been cold for days, it feels like. Rain clouds forming around us. I actually did not even look at the weather this morning. Feels like we're climbing in elevation too. I see some snow-covered mountains in the distance. Oh, that temperature feels like it's just dropping. It is. It just dropped 2 degrees. I swear you feel like you drive through pockets that are just chillier. Hiccups ain't helping either. Sacramento Summit, 7,000 feet. We were climbing. We're going down now. The hiccups. All you could do is laugh. Because I don't know. I've heard so many different ways to get rid of hiccups throughout my life, and I have tried every single one, and I can honestly say that I ain't found one that works. Not a one. Hold your breath, count to 10, drink water upside down, hold sugar to the top of your tongue, spin around in a circle 10 times and do 10 jumping jacks. I've heard so many. Ain't none of them work. That's pretty. Pretty. I do have a truck behind me. Pickup truck on a semi, but I think he does have a trailer, so I just need to make sure I keep an eye on him. Look at all them horns. I'd say that guy's a hunter. pop in. Still got the hiccup. 42 more miles. Where's the road go? Left, right, straight? Looks like it goes to the left on the map. Can't see it in real life. Pretty fast speed limit. 70-mile-an-hour speed limit coming down this hill just seems kind of fast. Oh, look at the windmills. Degrees. Oh, the hiccups. Got a ways to go to get some food. 40 more minutes. 40 more miles. It'll be about 30 minutes if I'm doing 80. About what I'm running too. Getting warmer, 59. Let's do a little run, shall we? I don't think I've ever had her above 100. I just want to see. There's 100. Still not full throttle. I'm just slowly gaining on it. 104, can we get 105? Oh yeah, she had some more. That's fast enough for me. Good girl, Lucia, good girl. Got them in a line, don't they? I've always, since I've watched that Landman show, and he talks about, when he does that little monologue about the windmills, and he says, and the whole time they're operable, they won't even pay for themselves. I wonder if that's true. If it is true, that's terrible. That mountain peak up there is way up there. It's in the clouds. That's cool. Osceola. Oh, these hiccups. The title of this video is going to be Hiccups. That's probably all you're going to hear. I don't remember what the battery was on the last time I checked it. I didn't change it. It was like at 60. So it's probably going to be dead before we get there. Eli. Austin, Nevada? Hey Siri, is there an Austin, Nevada? Sure enough is. Might be worth when I stop. I'm gonna see if that's in the direction we're going. I mean, I guess it is. I just seen the sign. Eli Carson City's this way. Las Vegas goes that way. I ain't going to Las Vegas. Been there once. Lost money. I don't really feel like going back. Next 9 miles is some curves. You might want to switch the batteries. That's to be sure. Green Light Dispensary.